Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a delicious and healthy drink using tigernut, coconut, banana and date. This drink is packed with natural energy, creamy goodness and a tropical twist. Let's get started. You will need 260 grams of tigernut. I soak it overnight. This is the dry one. 260 grams, 1 fresh coconut or a cup of coconut milk, 2 ripe bananas, dates 110 grams. For an extra touch, you can add a sprinkling of cinnamon or a teaspoon of honey. I soak the tigernut overnight for a smoother texture. I'm going to cut the coconut into small sizes so that it will be easy for blending. Date, I'm going to remove the seeds. Date prevents weight gain and obesity. Bananas are rich in nutrients and improve blood sugar levels. To the blender, let's start by adding tigernut. Tigernut has healthy fat for a healthier heart. Make sure you wash your tigernut properly. I wash it 4 to 5 times. Let's add dates, coconut and banana. A sprinkling of cinnamon for an extra touch. I'm adding water. I add 800 grams of water. Now blend everything together for about a minute until it is silky smooth. Look at that creamy texture. You need a strong blender, guys, to blend tigernut. Now we are going to sieve it. This is the chaff I'm going to throw. I'm going to strain it the second time, but if you have strainer bag, just once, okay? Put some ice into your drink because tigernut gets bad easily. Pour into your favorite glass with ice. What's your favorite ingredients to pair with banana? Let me know. And here you have it, a refreshing tigernut, coconut, banana and date drink. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with friends for more healthy recipes. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Thank you for watching. I will see you into the next video. Ciao.